PDA Parts presents the Palm Treo 755p take-apart directions.
Warning: the following directions will void your warranty. You're performing this repair at your own risk. This video is copyright AX Microsolutions Inc.
For all your parts and accessory needs, please be sure to visit us on the web at pdaparts.com. Use discount code at checkout YouTube for 5% off your first order for a limited time. Turn the unit over and remove the stylus and the battery door. Using a torx screwdriver, remove the 6 screws in the following locations. Please note this screw right here in the middle is shorter than the rest and will need to go back in that location when completed. Using a case opener tool available at pdaparts.com, run it along the side of the case to free it from the front. You also need to run the case opener tool along the edge on the other side. Be careful, before you remove the front bezel from the back of the case, it is still attached by a speaker wire. Note the direction and the color the speaker wire is installed prior to removing. On the motherboard, using a small Phillips screwdriver, remove the one screw in the bottom left side. There is a small piece of tape over the connector and the ribbon that will need to be removed prior to removing the ribbon. With the piece of tape removed, you will now lift the hinge on the ribbon cable up to a slight angle, which will now release and free the ribbon cable. As you lift the motherboard over, note there is another piece of tape holding another ribbon cable. Remove this tape, and then once again you will now lift the small little hinge up and it will release the ribbon. The screen is just sitting in the front bezel. Remove it from the front bezel and you've completed your take apart.